In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the HubSpot SEO Certification Course to be certified. Whether you're looking to enhance your digital marketing skills or just starting on your SEO journey, this course is a fantastic resource. So let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the main HubSpot user interface. Take a look at the upper right corner of your screen where you'll find the profile icon. Give that a click. This will bring up a drop-down menu with various options related to your account. Don't worry if this seems like a lot of information. We're focusing specifically on HubSpot's educational resources today. From the drop-down menu, you'll need to locate and select HubSpot Academy. The HubSpot Academy is a treasure trove of information and resources that can help you grow your marketing skills. Once you've clicked on HubSpot Academy, you're officially in the right place to find a variety of courses designed to enhance your understanding of everything from sales to marketing and analytics. Now that you're in the HubSpot Academy, direct your attention to the search bar. Click on it and type in SEO. This keyword will pull up a multitude of courses focused specifically on search engine optimization, ranging from fundamentals to more advanced techniques. Typing in SEO ensures you land right where you need to be, making the whole process both time efficient and targeted. Upon hitting search, you'll see a list of all the courses available related to SEO. Take a moment to browse through these options. By scrolling through, you can get a sense of the course content, duration, and what specific skills you will gain. Pick a course that aligns most closely with your needs and interests. Once you've decided on which SEO course you want to take, it's time to enroll. Look for an Enroll button, which is usually prominently displayed. Go ahead and click it. Enrolling in the course is straightforward, and once you're in, the course content will be unlocked, allowing you to access all modules and begin your learning journey. Now you're all set to start diving into the course material. The structured format of HubSpot Academy courses makes it simple to follow along with each module and track your progress. Spend time with each section to truly grasp the concepts being taught. Remember, pacing yourself based on your own learning style will yield the best results. That's it. By following these steps, you can successfully enroll in a HubSpot SEO certification course and begin the process of boosting your SEO skills. Stick with it to earn your certification, which can be a significant asset in your professional toolkit. Happy learning, and don't forget to engage with all the resources HubSpot provides along your educational journey.